Day trading is a type of short-term trading strategy in which traders buy and sell financial assets, such as stocks or currencies, within the same trading day. Day traders typically use technical analysis to identify patterns and trends in the market and make quick decisions based on their analysis. Day trading requires a high level of discipline and risk management, as it involves taking advantage of small price movements throughout the day to generate profits. The benefits of day trading include the potential to generate quick profits and the flexibility to work from anywhere with an internet connection. Day trading can also be exciting and challenging, providing an opportunity for traders to test their skills and strategies in a fast-paced environment. For those who are successful at day trading, it can be a lucrative career option. Day trading also comes with significant risks. Due to the short-term nature of the strategy, day traders must make quick decisions based on limited information, which can lead to losses if they are not careful. Additionally, day traders often use leverage to amplify their gains, which can also amplify their losses. The high volatility and liquidity of the markets can also lead to unexpected price movements, making day trading a risky endeavor. It is important to set realistic expectations for anyone considering day trading. While some individuals may be successful at day trading and earn significant profits, many traders lose money. It takes a significant amount of time, effort, and practice to become a successful day trader, and even then, there are no guarantees of success. It is also important to understand the risk involved in day trading and to be prepared to manage those risks. Finally, day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and traders should not expect to become millionaires overnight. It is important to approach day trading as a serious business and to have a long-term perspective on one's goals and strategies.